Bose speakers not only produce some of the cleanest and most compelling sound you'll hear, but they also reflect an equally clean, compelling design aesthetic. But with so many great sounding Bose speakers available, selecting the best Bose speaker is not an easy task. In this video, we're breaking down the best 3 Bose speakers on the market this year based on price, features, sound quality, and situations they will be used in. So whether you're looking for a portable speaker, a home speaker, or a speaker for a multi-room setup, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which Bose speaker will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. First off, we have the Bose Soundlink Color Bluetooth Speaker 2, our pick for the best portable Bose speaker. If you want to bring your music on the go, and not just with headphones, the Bose Soundlink Color Bluetooth Speaker 2 is a wonderful option. Coming in at under $100, this Bluetooth speaker is a great choice for portable audio while carrying the Bose sound quality. It's incredibly easy to set up, and offers improved durability over the previous models. This speaker is splash resistant and has a comfortable grip for better portability. The battery life is a rugged 8 hours, so you can light up the party all night without having to plug it back into a USB charger. The charging port lets you power your tunes from your laptop, wall plug, or even your car, so your music can really go the distance. The Bose Soundlink 2 has a built-in mic to easily access Siri or Google Now, and you can access your virtual assistants or answer incoming calls. It's got enough volume and sound quality to fill a medium-sized room, so your favorite songs will easily be heard through small gatherings, and this speaker won't disappoint. The Soundlink 2 is also an ideal option for apartment dwellers and buyers on a budget who don't want to sacrifice sound quality. It's got more than enough power to keep you jamming from the kitchen to the bedroom. Because it's so easy to set up and pair with, your music, or your friend's music, is always at hand. With 8 hours of battery life, the Bose Soundlink Color Bluetooth Speaker 2 is a great little speaker that can keep up with you on the go. From basement parties to trips to the cottage, and backyard barbecues to outings at the beach, this water-resistant speaker is the perfect portable sound solution, and you'll never have to be without your favorite tunes again. Next up is the Bose Home Speaker 500, our pick for the best Bose Home Speaker. If you want rich, wall-to-wall home audio and are willing to pay a bit more to get it, then priced under $400, the Bose Home Speaker 500 delivers fantastic Bose sound that will fill your home. The Bose Home Speaker 500 is perfectly equipped to completely saturate a room with sound. The internal speaker system points in 2 opposite directions, which allows true stereo separation without needing to buy a second speaker. This gives you a seamless soundscape that is wider than other smart speakers on the market. Alexa and Google Assistant voice control is built directly into the Bose Home Speaker, giving you access to millions of songs, playlists, and internet radio. If you like listening to music loud, you'll be happy to know that the Speaker 500 also features a custom built-in mic, with an 8-microphone array designed for near and far field listening. This speaker can hear you no matter the decibel your music is playing at. The Home Speaker 500 is also ideal for pairing with other devices, but is phenomenal on its own simply for the depth and richness of the overall sound. The Home Speaker 500 is visibly stunning and will almost certainly fit your aesthetic. The album art display works to visually showcase your tastes, while the rich Bose sound quality shines through. The full soundscape will immerse your room in music, and thanks to voice assistant control, you've got limitless options for what you want to hear. If you're looking for a perfect Bose home speaker, the Home Speaker 500 will give you 360 degrees of rich immersive Bose sound, no matter what you are in the mood for. With Bose's pioneering audio technology on board, this is a smart speaker fit even for discerning audiophiles. Finally, we have the Bose SoundTouch 30, our pick for the best multi-room Bose speaker. Sometimes music in one room just isn't enough. If you're someone who needs to have the whole house filled with customizable sound at under $500, the Bose SoundTouch 30 is the speaker for you. This speaker is a must-have device if you are dreaming of creating the perfect, seamless soundscape throughout your home. The SoundTouch 30 is the first step in building a flawless multi-room speaker system. Each room can be filled with Bose quality sound, and this top speaker has enough volume to supply even your largest rooms with flawless music. It links up perfectly with Alexa, so no matter where you are in your house, you're in control. The Bose SoundTouch 30 will change the way you host, allowing you to play different audio in different rooms simultaneously. a podcast for the office, smooth jazz for cooking in the kitchen, and a live concert for the living room. Your guests will be blown away by the most powerful wireless speaker Bose has ever made, and will fill your space with lush dynamic sound that edges out the Sonos performance. This speaker will grow with you, so as you add more devices to more rooms, you not only maintain the sound quality that only Bose can deliver, but you can just easily expand your system without having to invest in a new system. It's incredibly easy to set up, and will turn your whole house into a symphony. The Bose SoundTouch 30 is a game changer for anyone who loves music, and especially for those who love to host parties. Total control is available through the Amazon Echo or through the SoundTouch app, so you can listen to anything over Wi-Fi or on your library. So if you're looking for a Bose speaker that can be the first step in a fully custom multi-room audio setup for your entire home, then the Bose SoundTouch 30 is the one for you. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.